Thank you for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen. Angler and Wrangler here, coming at you with a fixing video. As winter's coming around the corner, I'm breaking out the winter jackets and the fall jackets, and this one's just not zipping up right, as I'm demonstrating here. Basically, once you zip it up, it's not actually holding the two sides together, if you will. It's not zippering. So I'm going to show you a quick solution to that. Now this process literally takes, a couple of seconds, a couple of minutes, if you will. I took a little extra step here at the end, just to, lube it up, just to make the zipping process a little smoother in the future. And if you want to stick around, I'll show you how to do that. Now, as you can see here, the tool I grabbed here was a needle nose set of pliers, just bending in that front where the zipper actually goes up, if you will. That front end, just bending that in with the back, just kind of pressing the two together. Now I'm testing out if that worked for me. Now I noticed that upon closer inspection, it's actually both sides that you need to actually press down. It's not just the front, because of course the end also needs to compress the zipper to actually bind the two sides together. Now with that said, I'm going to show you that process here. Notice there's no audio in this original recording. I recorded this when I was not feeling too well, but just well enough to where I, figured I could do small things like this around the house so that I'm not a lazy bum. So as you can see here, I'm ending it from the back. Making sure I'm getting both sides. I think that's an important part to mention. And yeah, this is just normal wear and tear of the jacket. Of course, this is one of my favorite jackets, so it kind of makes sense that it's gonna, wear like this. And surprise guest here. This is my newest kitty, one of my newest kitties, Roma. He's not even a year old, so don't bully him too much. Yep, so going ahead and zipping it up, you can see now that it is now binding. It is getting a little stuck here and there, but that's just because, it's one of my favorite jackets. It's worn a little bit. So I'm going to show you how I go ahead and fix that for you. Zipping up, just to show that the bind is clear throughout. There is no, extra bits that I need to bend in. Kind of proof testing my work with that. Now, I take some WD-40. I think it goes without saying what WD-40 is used for, and that would be for the aforementioned lubrication. Just going up and down the zip, making sure that the lubrication is evenly spread throughout. And you'll see in just a second how much of a difference it does here. Because as you can see, it kind of, stops a little bit here and there throughout. And now it just glides. See that? Alrighty. Well, with that said, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you tuning in and checking out my video. Quick and easy, how to, I guess. But yeah. Prepare for the winter and enjoy the rest of your days, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.